In Uganda, clean and safe water in most communities is still a pipe dream. However, local engineers have come up with new water technologies to reverse this trend. This was revealed by the Executive Director of Engineers Without Borders, Josh Bwambale, during an interview with Bayinginiya. Bwambale said all engineers in the country will be trained in the new and updated water technologies.
Look at the country, we have put a lot of what we call point water sources. Point water sources are where they put a borehole and they add a pump, a hand pump. This is what people normally actually call a borehole, but in engineering is the hand pump. They put that hand pump, but we are saying there's need for us to shift from that because it's not sustainable. And it's still, people still have to walk long distances to eat and even queue. So we are losing a lot of productive time of the people within the country. So what we are saying is that now we need to put maybe at least a solar pump or an electric pump that will now pump this water into an overhead tank that is somewhere on a tower or on a hill, then distribute this water to communities, to very many tap stands, and or even connect directly to people's houses so that they can connect to the washrooms, to the shower rooms, and any other places at the homes.
The technology relies on solar to pump water from boreholes even in the dry season.
And the beauty with solar is that solar does not necessarily mean the sun as you see it. So long as there is light, the light, like the daylight, you will be accessing some, the system will be able to pump water. And these are the things we are trying to teach these engineers, to show them how do you model and be sure that even in the dry season, people are still, in the rainy season, people are still getting up to the amount of water that they need. Uganda tulina mukisa tulina amanyi genjuba getuyita solar mu luzungu, and kati abantu ebiseera ebisinga tubadde tupampinga amazzi nga tukozesa zino nayikondo, but nayikondo nga abantu bangi tebafuna amazzi mu budde. Mujja ne musimba layini ne mumalawo ebiseera bye mubadde mulina okukola kugenda nga mu nnimiro.
Today, according to the Ministry of Water, only 56% of the population has access to clean water. But according to Bwambale, if solar systems are used, the number will increase to 98%.
Percentage tuli mu bitundu 56 abantu abafuna amazzi. But oluusi wesanga ndi baba babaze ndi bwoba olina nayikondo mu kyalo kyammwe, mu kitundu kyammwe, namwe mulina amazzi ate nga mwonoona ebiseera bingi. Kati tugamba ndi bweba abantu balina nayikondo tutekemu pambu amazzi tugatwale mu maka gaabwe, so that babeere nga tubabala bulungi nti bayi.
According to Engineers Without Borders, any Ugandan can get water at a low cost by working with their organization.